Well, here we are back at the comp site. This is where we've run our competitions recently. Today is just a couple of days after the last comp, which we ran right here in Plenty Gorge. One of the classes I ran was the Mini. And this rig here is one that I'm hoping to take with me to New South Wales later this month. This is one of my strongest classes. I love driving it and I'm really looking forward to the competition up north. However, I snapped a front axle well. I rounded off a front axle on comp day. Of the 4 courses that we did for Mini, I did 2 of them in 3-wheel drive with my front left locking up.
Gotta get used to the throttle after being on scale 1 all morning. Oh, what? Yeah, I have lost driving that side, I'm sure of it. Reverse. Let's do it in 3-wheel drive then. Reverse. Reverse. Oh, I'm glad it broke here and not up north.
True.
Next month.
Have you got spares?
Oh, I'll make spares. Ah, 3-wheel drive is not good. Yeah, but I'm getting stuck everywhere now because I can't get out of things. Repo. All right. Oh, it's not only not rolling, it's actually locking. This could well be a DNF. Yeah, it just locks randomly now.
Yeah.
Reverse. If I keep brute forcing it, it'll smooth out. But now I've lost my nice steering. Reverse. This would have been a perfect drive too. Oh well. Come on. Reverse. Roll over. Reverse. Maybe we can. Doesn't matter. Okay, maybe I can only turn that way. Well, maybe that's the answer.
Yeah.
Reverse. All right, 226. I'm gonna just DNS the other 2. No, it'll, let me see. It'll likely be the outdrive. These little MRC axles are weak.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hang on. Yeah, it'll be right in there. I'll get another one and I'll file it all down.
Now those axles are handmade and I can make more. I need the original axle type. It's a universal and then I can grind it down and make it fit. I don't have time. I've got to leave in 2 weeks for this comp. So last night, the UTB18 came apart. I considered just driving this, but instead I fitted its axles to my Mini and I've just adjusted the links to make it work. Now, one thing we're testing today is I've got the new Dlux Fabrication universal axles for the UTB18. So that gives us actually a better steering angle than the UTB18 could do before. So this is all UTB18 stuff with the Dlux Fab universals. We're going to test that today. There's no overdrive in this. I've got overdrive gears coming for the portal axles, which should be here hopefully in a week or 2, hopefully before I leave. And that'll give me 21% overdrive. But for today, we're going to test the new Dlux Fabrication universals for the UTB18 on my Mini chassis with my Holmes revolver on 3S. So we're running the Holmes revolver. It's an outrunner motor that's inside here. So it's all my Mini chassis but with Capra axles. Let's see how it goes. through there. Picture of it. Okay, that's the course done. It was 4 minutes 14, 9 reverses and a rollover. What I'm finding is that given this is on portals, the center of gravity is way higher than it was. I'm really missing overdrive. So with 9 reverses, I think that might have just needed to be 1 or 2 reverses. The center of gravity is really the problem. So before I go away, I'm going to need to try and move everything down because that's really what this needs. I like the reliability of these axles now. This is a great platform. I'm going to keep it in this because I think the center of gravity is already a lot better, but I think we can do better again. So I'll take this back to the workbench now before I go away. The next time you see this will be actually at the competition. I'm going to film some of it if I can. I hope you found this little tinker session interesting, and I will catch you again really soon with more comp stuff right here on RC-TNT. Thanks for watching.